Veo 3.1 versus Sora 2, who's win? All right, buckle up a bit because today we're diving into the biggest AI video battle of 2025. Google just dropped Veo 3.1 and OpenAI fired back with Sora second. These tools are absolutely insane. They're making Hollywood level videos from simple text prompts, no cameras, no actors, just words. And I'm going to show you which one actually wins. Let me break this down for you. I'm going to show you what each tool does. I'm going to show you the good parts, the bad parts. And most importantly, I'm going to show you which one you should actually use. Let's start with Veo 3.1. Google launched Veo back in 2024, but Veo 3.1 is a whole new beast. They just released it and the internet went crazy. Why? Because the quality is nuts. Veo 3.1 can make videos up to 2 minutes long. That's huge. Most AI video tools max out at like 10 seconds. But 2 minutes, that's a full YouTube short, that's a full TikTok, that's real content. And the resolution, 4K, not some blurry mess, actual 4K video that looks professional. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. But here's where it gets wild. Veo 3.1 understands physics, it understands how things move in the real world. So when you ask it to make a video of water splashing or a person running, it actually looks real, not like some weird AI glitch fest. Google trained this thing on millions of videos, and they added something called cinematography understanding. That means Veo 3.1 knows about camera angles, it knows about lighting, it knows about composition. So when you type in a prompt, you can tell it exactly what kind of shot you want. You want a drone shot? You got it. You want a close up? Done. You want that cinematic film look? Easy. And this is important because most AI video tools just give you random angles, but Veo 3.1 actually listens to what you want. Now let's talk about Sora 2. OpenAI dropped Sora 1 in early 2024 and everyone lost their minds. The videos were so good that people thought they were fake, but there was a problem. Most people couldn't actually use it. It was invite only, limited access, super annoying. But then in December 2024, OpenAI finally opened it up, and now with Sora 2, they've made it even better. Sora 2 can make videos up to 1 minute long. That's less than Veo 3.1, but still pretty solid. And the quality also incredible. We're talking photorealistic footage that looks like it came from a real camera. But here's what makes Sora 2 different. It's better at understanding complex prompts. You can write a whole paragraph describing exactly what you want, and Sora 2 will nail it. Multiple characters, multiple actions, complex scenes, it handles all of it. OpenAI also added this feature called storyboard. You can plan out multiple shots and Sora 2 will generate them in sequence. So you're not just making one video, you're making a whole story. And the character consistency, way better than before. If you generate a video with a person in it, that person actually looks the same throughout the whole video. That was a huge problem with AI video before. Characters would morph and change. But Sora 2 fixed it. First, let's talk about speed. How fast can you actually make a video? Veo 3.1 is fast, really fast. You type in your prompt and boom, video in like 2 minutes. That's insane. You can pump out tons of content in a single day. Sora 2, a bit slower. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes per video. Still not bad. But if you're trying to make a lot of videos quickly, that adds up. And speaking of winning, I want to tell you about something that's going to help you scale even faster. My AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I teach you how to build real businesses with AI, not just play around with tools, but actually make money. Inside AI Profit Boardroom, you get access to my full AI automation systems, the same systems my agency uses to serve clients and generate revenue. You get live coaching, you get a community of people who are actually doing this stuff, and you get all my latest strategies before anyone else. If you're serious about using AI to scale your business and get more customers, you need to check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about prompt control. This is huge because if the tool doesn't listen to what you type, it's useless. Sora 2 wins here, hands down. You can write super detailed prompts and it actually follows them. You want a specific emotion on someone's face, it'll do it. You want a specific time of day with specific lighting, it'll do it. Veo 3.1 is good, but not as precise. Sometimes it interprets your prompt differently than you meant. You might ask for one thing and get something close but not exact. But here's where Veo 3.1 pulls ahead. Motion quality, the way things move in Veo 3.1 videos is smoother, more realistic, especially with fast motion. If you're making action scenes or sports content, Veo 3.1 handles it better. Sora 2 sometimes struggles with fast motion. You'll see a bit of blur or weird artifacts. Not a deal breaker, but noticeable. Okay, now let's get to the big one, price. Because all of this is cool, but if you can't afford it, who cares? Veo 3.1 is part of Google's AI Studio. Right now, it's free during the preview phase. But once it fully launches, pricing isn't clear yet. Google hasn't announced anything official. Sora 2 costs money. OpenAI has it on a subscription. It's part of ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month. But here's the catch. You only get limited generations per month. If you want more, you have to upgrade to ChatGPT Pro, which is $200 a month. Yeah, $200. Now let's talk about use cases because different tools are better for different things. If you're making YouTube content, both work great. But Veo 3.1 has that edge with the 2-minute limit. You can make full YouTube shorts without stitching clips together. If you're doing marketing or ads, Sora 2 might be better. Why? Because ads need precise control. You need to hit specific talking points, show specific products. And Sora 2's prompt accuracy helps with that. If you're making social media content for Instagram or TikTok, both are solid. Veo 3.1 is faster, so you can pump out more content. But Sora 2 gives you more creative control. If you're doing film or storytelling, Sora 2 wins. That storyboard feature is a game changer. You can plan out scenes and create a cohesive narrative. But here's what nobody is talking about. The real power isn't in using one or the other, it's in using both. Think about it. Use Veo 3.1 for quick content, fast turnaround stuff, daily posts, trending topics, anything where speed matters. Then use Sora 2 for your high value content, your main YouTube videos, your client work, anything where you need precision and quality. That's how you win. Let's talk about limitations because no tool is perfect. And if you don't know the weaknesses, you're going to waste a lot of time. Veo 3.1 struggles with text. If you try to put words or letters in your video, it usually messes them up, like the letters look weird or backwards. So if you need text in your video, you're better off adding it in post-production. Sora 2 has the same problem, but it's slightly better. Still not perfect, but a bit more readable. Both tools struggle with hands. This is a common AI problem. Hands are hard to generate. Sometimes they have too many fingers. Sometimes they look weird. So if your video has close-ups of hands, check it carefully. Both tools also have trouble with complex interactions. Like if you want two people shaking hands or hugging, it might look off. The movements don't always line up right. And here's a big one. Neither tool is great at generating specific real people. You can't just type in a celebrity name and expect an accurate video. That's both a legal thing and a technical limitation. So if you need a specific person in your video, you're better off filming it yourself or using deepfake tools. Now let's talk about the future because this tech is moving fast, like really fast. Google just announced they're working on Veo 4. They didn't say when it's coming out, but they teased longer videos and better quality. We're talking 5-minute videos, maybe even 10 minutes. That's basically short films. OpenAI is doing the same thing. They're working on Sora 3, and rumor has it they're adding real-time generation. Imagine typing a prompt and watching the video generate live as you type. That would be insane. Both companies are also working on video editing features. So you could generate a video and then tell the AI to change parts of it, like make the sky darker, add rain, change the camera angle, all with text prompts. That's the future and it's coming soon. And if you want to go even deeper, if you want to learn how to turn this into a real business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Also, if you want to learn even more about making money with AI, you need to check out the free AI Money Lab. This is my free community where I share tools, prompts, and strategies every single day. Inside AI Money Lab, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll get access to 1,000 plus free workflows, and you'll see real case studies of people making $10,000 plus with ChatGPT. It's completely free. No credit card, no catch, just value. You'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. Plus, you'll join our free AI community where we share wins, tips, and strategies every day. The link is in the description. Join AI Money Lab now and start making money with AI.